Hey everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day today. We are at Eureka Springs Conservation Area and we just wanted to take a walk around and see what's going. Eureka Springs Park is open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. They do have a pay station here and it is $2 per vehicle up to 8 people. Each additional person is $1. And here's some other stuff. They have rentals and annual passes. Individual entry $50 and family is $100. This is the actual pay station. Wow, it's beautifully planted out right here at the beginning.
There's a wedding over here.
Oh, they're having a wedding? Oh, look at the water feature over here. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, they do that to keep the water clear. Yes, nicely done. They have this beautiful ground cover here with the dark leaves. That's awesome. Oh, look at that's pretty. Then they have the princess flower over here, which is not in bloom. But this is what it looks like.
Here's one.
That's beautiful. Oh, there is one? One. Nice. Very pretty. So pretty through here. I love the color of the Thai plant. Has that kind of burgundy fuchsia color. It's nicely done through here. And then the mondo grass as an edging. Oh, nice little bridge. Oh, look how this is done. We have some annuals planted out here. Geraniums. This nice. Look, the bromeliads are in bloom. That's beautiful. And they're having a wedding over there. Oh, look at the moss that covers the top of that walkway. So another one of those flowering bushes. Did y'all find something? Look at this Vietnamese gardenia. Although it is not in bloom, I see that it almost will be. Or no, those are spent. Steph always finds the flowers. Can you find one? Oh, that's beautiful. That's not a normal looking one either. Looks like a pinwheel. What is that? It's cool anyways. Kellogg, what are you doing? So we learned about this at the last place we were at. These are cypress knees. It's where the roots come up and form kind of a knee. And it said that it's possibly to help support the tree. There's a tree over here. Wow, this is a beautiful covered bridge. I love the hanging baskets that they have. Okay, there's a nice view of the stream. Have more bromeliads over here. Well, this is beautiful with the water here and a lot of the aquatic plants. I think this is just the short loop we're going to take first. Wow, look how deep dark the foliage is on this bromeliad. And then the azalea is completely in bloom with the nice deep pink flowers. Lovely. This nice palm almost taking up the walkway with the resurrection fern growing out of it. Another azalea, more bromeliads. Huh? Yeah, more air plants. Look at the one above Jeff. Well, this is a nice arch that comes over here. What is that? Is that an oak? Yeah, I think it's a live oak. Did you find some cool stuff, Moo? Another little circle here with more azaleas and bromeliads. Seems a very popular plant here in Florida. I think another place we had been, they were called Queen's Fingernails. I'm sure they have a lot of common names. Here we can get closer to the bloom. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, they're all blooming right now. Oh wow, look how big that azalea bush is there. Oh, look at this patch of pink begonias. Wow, I've never seen such interesting flowers. Very cool. I've never seen this big actually. Then we have the peach trumpet flower. It's not in bloom yet, but interesting leaf. And there's the, oh, I've seen these before, these pink trumpet flowers. They're beautiful. And that's where we just came from. Another pink trumpet. Oh, actually, this is the white one. I thought the white one was called Angel's Trumpet. Oh, wow, that live oak is liking its spot. It's huge. Oh, the resurrection ferns growing all over it. Wow, pleasantly surprised. You never know what you're gonna see when it's your first time at a gardens. Jeff was just pointing out all the air plants. Look at that huge patch right there of bromelaid. I love this too. Right here. What is that? Is that, oh, it's a bird of paradise. Yeah. Almost thought it was a banana. Nope, yeah, that's the bird of paradise. Cool. Okay, I think this goes back around to where we were. There's a patch of ferns on the ground. It's nice and shady back here too. There's a light breeze. It feels wonderful. This is a nice combination. They have the bird of paradise along with bromelaid. We're gonna go around that way or back that way? Okay. They have some roses over here with this gazebo. Doesn't look like there's much blooming. Just a few in the back there. I love this gazebo area. That'd be nice for weddings. They have a pond here, but it looks pretty dry. And a massive palm in the middle. There's a little water there. A lot of algae growing, or duckweed, I can't tell. I think it's duckweed actually. Nice rose bushes. Oh, how pretty. The viburnum is in bloom. It's pretty white flowers. They have a whole hedge here. What's that? Is that another azalea? Yeah, it's an azalea because I can see the small leaves.
It's interesting. Every flower has this smudge
Yeah.
on one side.
Oh wow, that looks very natural. I'm sure all natives to Florida. Doesn't look planted out at all. Oh, look at how this bromeliad's growing up the tree, the palm tree. Wow. Doesn't seem to be affecting it. More birds of paradise. Ooh, this is beautiful through here. Look at all the hanging baskets. Coleus. In with, I think, I'm not sure what that one is. Here's an air plant. It's just by its roots. Just take a second to look. Oh wow, look at that. Nice water feature. And a few goldfish in there. They do have a greenhouse. It's locked and pets are not allowed. Just gonna peer through the window. Nice. They have another water feature in there. Oh, it's beautiful. More air plants. Lilies. Yeah, they have a bunch of lilies here. Well, I like the coloration in this one. It's kind of a off-white and a deep red. That's pretty. Like the red color in that one. Ooh, that is beautiful. Bright yellow. Kind of a burgundy center. Orchids, that's it. I said lilies, didn't I? My bad. Look at that purple one there. And then back to the common one that you see a lot in stores. Oh, look at the coloration in that Thai plant. More orchids. I always want to say lilies. I don't know why. Oh, that's pretty. I love that flower structure. Wow, nicely done. Ooh, look at the variegation in this leaf here. Okay, we're just gonna walk on through. Oh, look at the asparagus fern. I grew this one year. It will not survive our winters though. That's pretty through here. Oh, staghorn fern. That's a big one, or dense one. Oh, I love how this hanging basket is. Look at those drapes there with coleus and stuff. Look at this bright orange bloom. Isn't that cool? Very alien-like. So now we're gonna head to the boardwalk. Oh, I love how they've chopped out that pine and all the plants that are growing out from the top of it. We have the banana plants over here. Look at the flower. So it hasn't put on any, oh, it's starting to put on bananas at the top there. Little teeny tiny small ones. Zoom in. Jeff just pointed this out. This is a beautiful, I think it's a cycad. But look at, I think new fronds are coming out. It's not, I don't think it's a flower, but very interesting how that is. I think that's Tababuia tree. It has nice yellow blooms. There it is right there. That's going over the gazebo or the structure. I'm not sure if you can see the yellow flowers right there. There's another one here. It has yellow flowers all the way up there. How pretty. And the tall palms that we've been seeing are the fountain palms. Nice patch of ferns. Here's the boardwalk up here. Oh yeah, Jeff was pointing out all these vines that are growing up. I'm not sure what they are. Yeah, they have big, huge leaves. There's another one right there. Actually, all these trees are covered with that same vine. Oh, nice boardwalk. This seems to be more natural and native plants back here, not planted out. Look on the forest floor, a lot of ferns, mainly ferns. How beautiful is it back here? So do you know if this boardwalk circles around? You don't know? I would think it would do a circle and then come back out by the building or the welcome center. So peaceful back here. The wedding party was being a little loud up front, so this is a nice change. Oh wow, look at those big leafed plants. Those are huge leaves. Not sure what that is. Look at all the duckweed. That definitely looks like an alligator habitat. So let's see, how deep is it? How deep does that say? Does that say 19 feet deep? Meters? Yeah, it seems like the boardwalk does curve back around. So beautiful back here, everything that's growing. Wow, that was one long boardwalk. We're coming to the end now. That was amazing. Very peaceful walk through there. That might be the end of it, I'm not sure. And here's that stream we saw earlier. By the picnic area, they do have a huge pond here, completely covered in duckweed and algae. I think we're almost back to the welcome area. Like the hibiscus. Here, see the bigger leaves? Tropical flower, nice beautiful red color. Yeah, that looks more like a hibiscus. I see they have irises planted here, but I don't really see any. Must not be time for them yet. And also a button bush. I think that's this one here. Okay, we've made it back to the front area. Nice little display of tropical plants here at the front. Well, I know that was a very short tour, but it was definitely packed full of a lot of beautiful tropicals and other plants. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.